Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a boat with two pockets in the sides. One over here and one over here. In this you can keep anything if you want to hide something, like some small things. I'm sure no one's going to find out that you have hidden something in a boat, in a paper boat. Okay, so let's start. First you fold the paper into two halves. It has to be equally divided. Okay. And then you put this one page up. Okay, if it was a normal boat making, you would have opened it from right now, but as we are making it with some two pockets, you fold it again. And now you open it like every other normal boat. And here is it, our boat with two pockets is ready. It's the same way. If you like my video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.